My name is Tia Guan and I'm the program lead of the Australian Discipline Network's Career Mentoring Program. Australian Discipline Network's AusDN is a national peak body organization, helping Australian employers to build the confidence and capability to welcome and include people with disability as employees and as customers. We have a network of over 450 member organizations, which consists of Australia's leading businesses and institutions. Our vision is simple but powerful: to build a disability confidence Australia. Everything we do is guided by our values and vision, and career mentoring is one of the many ways that we bring those values to life. We do this by connecting people with disability with a mentor to build disability confidence, enhance employability skills, help navigating the recruitment process and the workplace. We've run this program since 2013, and since then the program has facilitated more than 2,700 successful mentoring matches. Participation spans 129 organizations from diverse sectors, including private and public industry. We've been running this program twice a year since 2013, and every cohort brought more member organizations participating and more mentors and mentees signing up. While this growth was certainly exciting, it's also created significant challenges. We were doing everything manually across different channels and platforms on our CRM platforms, Outlook, Microsoft Teams, Excel, etc. The manual processes including matching people by hand, sending emails, tracking the whole onboarding, matching and mentoring progress in spreadsheets. It became an admin-heavy process that was really hard to manage and eventually slowed us down. Coordinating across over 500 active participants a year just wasn't efficient enough, and on top of that, it was difficult to monitor participants' progress and milestones, which means that we couldn't easily measure impacts or provide timely support and responses. I remember one night spending hours comparing hundreds of mentee applications trying to find a good match. It was really exhausting, and because of all of this manual work, our team simply didn't have the capacity to expand the program further or welcome more participants, even though we are certain the demand was out there. We knew that if we wanted the program to keep growing and delivering impact, we needed a better and more efficient way to run the program. So that's why we turned to Mentorloop to help with optimizing the process and managing participants' mentoring journeys. Since moving to Mentorloop, we have seen real difference in how participants experience the program, backed by the data from our detailed pre- and post-program surveys before and after the move to Mentorloop, and the improvements has been fantastic. For mentors, certification scores went up across the board, and that's based on the feedback from over 500 participants every year. On a 1 to 5 scale, pre-program briefing improved from 4.48 to 4.57, and the support from our programs team rose from 4.40 to 4.46. Their understandings of why inclusion and access matters, it jumped from 4.64 to 4.82. And confidence in managing and supporting an employee with disability also improved. Plus, 96% of mentors said that the program met their expectations, and their experience using Mentorloop scored 4.07. For mentees, the application process felt a lot easier and clearer, moving from 4.41 to 4.54, and their overall experience on the Mentorloop platform scored 4.26. These might look like small jumps, but when you consider the size of maturity of our program, consistent gains across multiple areas are actually really significant. They show that Mentorloop hasn't just streamlined the admin processes, it's actually helping us deliver a better experience and stronger outcomes, and it's made the whole experience more engaging and impactful for everyone involved. These results speak volumes, not just in numbers, but in the stories behind them. Mentorloop has helped us create a more accessible, supportive, and empowering experience for both our mentors and mentees, and the platform has elevated the program's impacts, turning connections into lasting relationships and guidance into real-world outcomes. We are proud of the progress so far and excited to keep building on this momentum. Mentorloop's intuitive platform and smart matching algorithm saved countless of hours of manual work. Features like Loop Inbox and progress tracking made it very simple for participants to stay engaged. What really made the difference for us was the ability to monitor participant activities in real time, so we can see who's engaged and who might need some extra support. And the goal setting function has been helping mentors and mentees set clear objectives and stay focused throughout the whole program. We also love the post-meeting sentiment surveys and mentoring score surveys. These gave us valuable insights into how relationships are tracking and where we can improve. Combined with the Mentorloop's milestone feature and best practice resources, these features have allowed us to launch confidently, provide timely support, and continuously enhance the program experiences. If I could give one piece of advice to someone starting a mentoring program today, it would be focus on the people and the power of connection. Mentoring isn't just about giving advice and following instructions. It is about creating a safe space to allow both mentors and mentee to start on a two-way learning journey and to build connections along the way. So that's why you want to put people in the heart of everything you design for the program. You want to make it accessible, inclusive. You want to encourage flexibility, curiosity, and shared understanding so that both parties feel valued and supported. And then as a result, you will be creating positive impact through your mentoring program.